Hello, welcome. Let's solve this nice exponential equation problem for the value of y. We are given 2 to the power of the square root of y equal to 8 to the power of y. And we are asked to find the value of y. Now it becomes a little bit pretty difficult to solve a question like this when the power or exponent is a square root. But then we are going to try it out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Now to solve this, we are going to expand this in such a way, firstly, that they will have the same base. And that will be the beginning of the solution to this question. I want this right hand side to have the same base with the left hand side. So that will give me 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 will be equal to 8, right? Great. So we're going to have 2 to the power of square root of y to be equal to 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by y. Great. Now we're going to look at that and then expand the right hand side. So this is going to give me 2 to the power of the square root of y equal to 2 to the power of the exponent is going to multiply. So we're going to have that to become 3 to the power of y. So we've succeeded in having same base, right? So what we need to do, applying the laws of indices, the exponent will have to equate. So that will give us the square root of y equal to 3y. So at this point, to clear the square root, we're going to consider taking the square of both sides. Now let's take the square of both sides. If we take the square of both sides, you're going to find out that the square root of y will be squared, and this will be equal to 3y all squared. And the reason why we did this is to clear the square root. And so we're going to have the value of y to be equal to 3 square multiplied by y square. So that will give us y to be equal to 9 multiplied by y square. So we're going to expand this, and if we expand this to become a quadratic formula, this will now give us 9y square minus y, and this will be equal to 0. Great. Now if you look at this expression very well, you find out that y is common. So let's bring out y, and this will give us 9y minus 1, and this will be equal to 0. Looking at this zero product rule, we can find out that from the first case, our y is equal to 0. And from the second case, our y, 9y minus 1 is equal to 0. So 9 minus 1, 9 equal to 0 is a solution to that exponential equation given to us. And if we simplify this, we are going to have this to become 9y equal to 1. So simplifying this, we're going to have the value of our y to be equal to, if we divide here by 9 and divide here by 9, then our y will be equal to 1 divided by 9. And that is the solution, second solution to that exponential equation given to us. So we have the value of our y to be equal to 0 and y to be equal to 1 divided by 9. Now let's do something. We're going to check to see if our solutions are absolutely right. Let's look at the original equation given to us, 2 to the power of square root of y equal to 8 to the power of y. Now if we check the value of y equal to 0, from the value of y equal to 0, we want to check out if 2 to the power of the square root of y can be equal to 8 to the power of y. If y is equal to 0, this will give us 2 to the power of the square root of 0 equal to 8 to the power of 0. And you know, according to the laws of indices, anything equal to 0 is 1. So we'll have 2 to the power of 0 equal to 8 to the power of 0. And this will give you 1 equal to 1. So that shows us that the value of y equal to 0 is a solution. Now, on the other hand, if we consider the value of y equal to 1 divided by 9, are we going to have the same expression? Now, let's check it out. If we have the square root of 2 to the square root of 1 divided by 9, will it be equal to 8 to the square root of 1 divided to the power of 1 divided by 9? Let's see. This is going to give us 2 to the power of 1 divided by 3, and this will be equal to, this is going to give us 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 1 divided by 9. So from this, we'll have 3 here, 1, 3 here is going to give us 3. So we're going to have 2 to the power of 1 divided by 3 equal to 2 to the power of 1 divided by 3. So that shows us that the value of y equal to 1 divided by 9 is also a solution. So you see, these two values of y are a solution to that exponential equation that is given to us up there. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.